What's going on, guys? Today we are doing a new install to the 9th gen. We are gonna install a Type R lip.
My nigga said 9th gen.
Oh shit, did I say 9th gen?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. What's going on? The reason why I'm doing that is I don't know, I just feel like it'll be a lot cleaner, and plus it'll fit this splitter on, and it definitely won't fit with this lip. And I don't know, y'all guys can't see on camera, but if you look really closely, there is imperfections in the paint, so that's why I want to replace this whole set. So I got the old lip off right here, and let me show you guys, this is where it's been cracking right here. It looks super bad and cracking right here, and it's on the lip too. You can't see it as bad, but it is on there. So I was like, you know what, fuck it, just replacing a whole new thing. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I'm installing these side skirts, and you're probably wondering, why do I already have side skirts and when I'm installing another set? I'm trying to match the whole Type R look and it just doesn't match, it doesn't flow well, so I'm gonna just make that black. Alright guys, so I finally got the side skirts on, as you can see. Sheesh! And I also got these side extensions right as here as well. I'll show you guys a better view of the side extensions because it's kind of tight in my garage right now, so you can't really see it well in this lighting. But tomorrow I'm going to show you guys how they look in the daytime. Let me know what you guys think of the side skirt. Now it flows a lot better since I have the lip, the side skirts, and the diffuser. Everything flows all together. I just recently put this tire sticker on because I'm about to go to a show, but let me know what y'all guys think. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for being, oh, that's a wannabe Type R, stuff like that. Hey, it's my car, I gotta do whatever I want to do. But yeah, this is how it turned out, and yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.